As you know, video is the future of online marketing and traffic generation. There's just no two ways about it. If you want to be successful in today's competitive online markets, you must use video as a major component in your marketing. That's why you need to see this software. The fact is, over 70% of all web traffic now comes from video. Which means if you fail to move with the changing video tide, your online business is likely to drown. I'm sorry, but it's just the way it is. But the good news is, now there's an incredible new tool called Content Samurai that for the first time in history makes video marketing quick, easy, and effective. With Content Samurai you can create irresistible traffic-pumping content videos, with absolutely zero video experience, and in mere minutes. Videos that are capable of generating millions of views, killer search engine rankings and torrents of online traffic. Check out Content Samurai, the link below video, and see what all the fuss is about. And the best part is there's absolutely no messing around with expensive software like Adobe Premiere, After Effects, or Final Cut Pro. And no complicated timeline editing or confusing codecs, aspect ratios, or file formats to fiddle with. If you can click a mouse, you can create killer videos with Content Samurai. Plus, you can also use Content Samurai to create video sales letters, squeeze videos, even full-blown video courses and training videos with just a few clicks. But it really must be seen to be believed.